Hello everyone. Today I am going to try to explain a very complex topic in photosynthesis called state transition, and I will try to explain this within less than 5 minutes. So let's get into the topic of state transition. In natural environments, under fluctuating quality and quantity of light with time, there happens an imbalance of energy distribution between the two photosystems, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Since these two photosystems are connected in series under normal condition, photosynthetic organisms need to constantly balance their excitation levels to ensure optimal efficiency of electron flow. State transitions occur under such conditions to redistribute the harnessed energy to minimize its unequal distribution. In higher plant, this happens by relocating the LHC2 or light harvesting complex 2 proteins in a short span of time between the two photosystems. Imbalances in the excitation state of the two photosystems are sensed by the redox state of the intermediate components involved in electron transfer. This leads to the phosphorylation of light harvesting complex 2. As we know, in chloroplast there is an abundance of phosphoproteins. So now let's see what happens during state transition. During state 1, when photosystem 1 is preferentially excited, the plastoquinone pool is oxidized. Light harvesting complex 2s are bound to photosystem 2. The photosynthetic electron flow proceeds in linear electron flow mode, generating a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane, which is used for ATP and NADPH production. In the transient state between state 1 and state 2, at the onset of preferential excitation of photosystem 2, the plastoquinone pool gets reduced. Docking of reduced plastoquinol to the QO site of cytochrome Bf leads to the activation of the STT7 or STN7 kinase, which is a serine threonine kinase, and this leads to the phosphorylation of the serine and threonine residues in light harvesting complex 2, which causes undocking of the mobile light harvesting complex 2s from photosystem 2. In state 2, there is a reassociation of mobile light harvesting complex 2 that occurs on the PSAH side of photosystem 1, that is on the opposite side of the light harvesting complex 1 belt. Cytochrome Bf and ferredoxin NADP plus reductase are also bound to photosystem 1 to form a cyclic electron flow supercomplex, which is required to establish cyclic electron flow between photosystem 1 and the plastoquinone pool, generating mostly ATP. During the state 2 also, there is a dephosphorylation of light harvesting complex 2 via TAP38 or PPH1, which results in transition from state 2 to state 1. Now let's look into the characteristic differences between state 1 and state 2. During state 1, there is a higher chlorophyll fluorescence yield at room temperature, whereas in state 2, there is a lower chlorophyll fluorescence yield at room temperature. During state 1, there is a higher ratio of fluorescence intensity, whereas in state 2, there is a lower ratio of fluorescence intensity in the red region as compared with the far red region at 77 Kelvin. A higher quantum yield of photosystem 2 and a lower quantum yield of photosystem 1 reactions are observed in state 1, whereas in state 2 there is a lower quantum yield of photosystem 2 and a higher quantum yield of photosystem 1 reactions. In higher plants and in Chlamydomonas, state transition occurs via LHC2 redistribution. However, in cyanobacteria, state transition occurs but via phycobilisome redistribution and chlorophyll redistribution. A lot of factors on how state transition occurs in cyanobacteria is still unknown. In this video, I have tried to cover state transition in higher plants. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to comment under this video if you liked this video. If not, why you didn't like it, what other topics I can cover so that those can be helpful for you. And share this video with people who might be interested in such topics. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for similar videos. Have a good day till the next time. Bye.